Welcome to our discussion on the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF. First, let's define what an ETF is. An ETF, or Exchange Traded Fund, is a type of investment vehicle that tracks the performance of a specific asset or group of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. ETFs can be bought and sold on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks, making them a convenient and flexible way to invest in a particular market or sector. Now, let's delve into the specifics of the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF. Ticker symbol SOXL. This ETF is focused on the semiconductor industry, a sector that plays a crucial role in the tech industry as a whole. Semiconductors are used in a wide range of electronic devices, from smartphones and computers to medical equipment and automotive systems. The demand for semiconductors is expected to continue to grow as technology becomes increasingly integrated into our daily lives. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF aims to provide investors with leveraged exposure to the semiconductor industry. Leveraged exposure means that the ETF aims to amplify the returns of the underlying assets it tracks. In this case, the ETF seeks to deliver 3 times the daily performance of the PHLX Semiconductor Sector Index. This means that if the index rises by 1% in a day, the ETF aims to increase by 3%. However, it's important to note that leveraged ETFs come with additional risks, as they can amplify both gains and losses. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF is managed by Direxion, a leading provider of inverse and leveraged ETFs. Direxion has a strong track record in the ETF industry and is known for its innovative investment products. The ETF is listed on the NYSE ACA exchange and has a ticker symbol of SOXL. It has an expense ratio of 0.95%, which is relatively high compared to other ETFs in the market. However, investors should keep in mind that leveraged ETFs often have higher expense ratios due to the additional costs associated with providing leveraged exposure. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF holds a diverse portfolio of semiconductor companies, with a focus on large, well-established firms. As of June 2021, the top holdings of the ETF include Intel, Samsung Electronics, TSMC, and Qualcomm. These companies are leaders in the semiconductor industry and are expected to continue to drive growth in the sector. In terms of performance, the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF has delivered strong returns in recent years. In 2021, the ETF has gained over 100%, outperforming the broader tech sector and the S&P 500 index. However, it's important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing in leveraged ETFs carries additional risks. So, is the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF a good investment for you? It really depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are looking for leveraged exposure to the semiconductor industry and are comfortable with the added risks that come with it, then this ETF could be a good fit for you. However, if you are a more conservative investor, or if you are not comfortable with the additional risks associated with leveraged ETFs, then you may want to consider other investment options. Before making any investment decisions, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. Make sure you fully understand the risks and rewards of investing in the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X Shares ETF.